Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and I hope that you have been enjoying all the amazing Cybertruck videos and content that we've been creating for almost a year now. And while throughout that whole process I've shared with you some of my favorites, I've heard from a lot of you which one is your favorite. Today I cannot be more proud than to share with you my personal new favorite, something that we've never done before. This one is off the charts. Coming to us all the way from the beautiful state of Florida, let's get into this project. First off, we wrapped all the exterior stainless steel panels using TMaxx metallic electric blue color change PPF. This blue is like candy and it just keeps changing colors, especially when the sun hits it. It is absolutely stunning. And as you can see, the complete exterior has been wrapped, including the front bumpers, front wheel arches, side skirt rocker panels, rear wheel arches, and the rear bumper, but we cannot wrap those. They have to be meticulously smoothed out because they're plastic. All that texture needs to go away. It needs to be properly prepped and then color matched. That was quite a challenge with such a beautiful wrap that's constantly changing colors in the sun. My team did an amazing job matching that color, letting it flow together, and that's the beauty of TMaxx metallic PPF films. Because of the angles of the Cybertruck, every time you look at it, when the sun hits it, you see different color shift happening. Very special in this metallic series. This truck is unlike any other one that's ever been done in the country. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into what else we did. As you could see, the customer chose my favorite 24-inch gloss black CTM wheels. I have them on my Cybertruck. I think it's the best looking wheel for a Cybertruck. And he wanted to go ahead and make it extra special and tie in what's been happening on the body by asking us to apply some of the color PPF film, as you can see right here, around the center assembly of the wheel cap. This is a floating center cap assembly. It says T-sportline on it. We are proud of it, and so is the customer, and now it's got some extra detail around it. But now we need to move into the interior because this one is going to blow you away. Check this out. The complete interior has been reupholstered and reimagined by my team and I, starting off with using Bentley linen leather hides that we imported from the tanneries in Europe that actually make it for Bentley. This is a favorite color of mine. I've had Model S's in this colorway for my interior, and we've done many other Model S's and X's over the years using Bentley linen, but never on a Cybertruck. So this is a world's first. The front and rear seats have been reupholstered, perforated in the Bentley linen leather. And now let's talk about tying it all in, bringing the exterior design elements to the interior, starting off with contrast blue stitching, a very nice subtle detail that goes ahead and not only puts all the seats together, but ties in the exterior blue color. Blue seatbelt webbing, they've been reupholstered, black webbing out, blue seatbelt webbing in. But let's jump into the carbon fiber, my favorite element of this whole build. Something that's brand new for us here at T-sportline, where we go ahead and we, instead of reupholstering the 5 interior white or tactical gray decor panels in leather or Alcantara, as you've seen before, we started doing this now in a matte carbon fiber finish. But for this build, not black and gray carbon fiber, blue tinted, cyber blue, matte carbon fiber interior decor on the 4 door panel inserts and on the lower dash. Incredible. Let's just take a moment and check that out. I mean, it really is stunning. And then to top it all off, our brand new reimagined steering wheel that's a little bit thicker, feels much better on the grip. The top and bottom sections have been redone in the cyber matte blue carbon fiber with, of course, Bentley linen sides with blue stitching to complete this interior transformation. What do you guys think? Spectacular, right? I mean, unlike anything that you've ever seen before, this truck is all done. It's going to load up on transport and head to its owner, who is dying to see it in the beautiful state of Florida. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already and you love our content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so much more amazing videos coming your way soon.